XYO is generally confronted with a medium-term impediment at 0.007, which is actually crucial in most cases. XYO increased its bullish momentum throughout the preceding week, acquiring 1.61 in contrast to popular belief. The majority of XYO's intraday volume remains at 2,166,870 in a large way. The XYO United States dollar pair is trading beneath the EMA 20 in a considerable way. July 25, 2023. In this article, we will fundamentally lead you through XYO cost examination for now, or for actually 1 week from now, and in a genuine sense seek to answer these frequently stated facts. What is a very immediate cost expectation for XYO in general? Is XYO an excellent interest in a very big way? In an unpretentious manner, XYO support and opposition levels and so on. However, before plunging genuinely found into the XYO specialized investigation in a genuine sense, let us truly discuss the particularly current economic situations. So XYO United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, or so they most likely thought. Market analysis over the last 24 hours revealed a 1.84% loss, bringing the total digital money market to 1,216,314,46891 in a substantial way. They assumed that the absolute trading volume by expanded was 294,460,6376. Bitcoin holds 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum holds 16.33%. This has resulted in Bitcoin's value rising to 30,311.21% after a vertical development of 0.25% genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elected digital currencies as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.72% coming to 1931.55 during the previous 24 hours, which is especially critical while distributing this. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a 0.77 decrease in esteem, or so they certainly thought. These events fundamentally demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a very descending course for the genuinely present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge as of now. A very broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Exceptionally further appearance house. In a substantial degree, the IO-US dollar pair is trading beneath the EMA 20. XYO backing and opposition, in particular, are essential specialized markers used to typically distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can continue in a different direction, demonstrating that in a real sense, XYO backing and opposition backing in opposition are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they particularly thought. Support basically is a level at which purchasers certainly become frequently more, for the most part, dynamic and truly prevent the coin as cost from falling any further. Exceptionally further appearance house IO support and obstruction levels and so on, which by and large is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which dealers particularly become truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So XYO basically faces medium-term obstruction at 0.007 in a sort of significant manner. Following in a genuine sense are the help and opposition levels of XYO execution. The truly current XYO cost truly is 0.006, with the truly current XYO cost truly is 0.006, with the truly current. To truly dissect the futurism, we use fundamentally relative strength index RSI moving essentially normal assembly and dissimilarity mapped backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving in every practical sense normal SPA and outstanding moving exceptionally normal EMA. IO backing and opposition essentially or significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which for the most part shows that XYO backing and obstruction backing in opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which for the most part shows that XYO backing and Obstruction, backing, and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that RSI is indicating an oversold condition while trading at 24 and attempting to break out of the negative zone while displaying massive negative strength and a very large manner certainly. While XYO's Williams % marker is at 72.603 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A trade most likely signal is rather conceivable at this level, which actually demonstrates what type of brought about Bitcoin's value soaring to 30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25 and an especially enormous method. The prompt obstruction for XYO essentially is generally found at 0.006, and a breakout from this level could in a real sense leads towards the genuinely next opposition, which can explicitly be found at 0.007, so XYO pick up bull ISH speed over the all things considered past week, acquiring 1.61 in an unobtrusive way on the especially other hand. Assuming that the bear basically assume command and XYO cost in a real sense neglects to buy and large breakout above 0.006, it could fall back towards the significant help at 0.005, exhibiting house IO backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which sort of shows that XYO backing and opposition backing in opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route in and in every practical sense significant way. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, which in every practical sense shows that XYO value examinations IO research for July 25, 2023 within a buy and significant data midday span in every practical sense made sense beneath, or so they essentially assumed XYO financial back. The CEO of Bybit talks about the future of regulations and market trends. In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's price continues to draw attention. As of Monday, it was trading at $29,723, down nearly 0.5%. Even though the market is always changing, regulatory views are very important to the future of crypto. Ben Zhou, the CEO of Bybit, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, talks about the regulatory outlook. He stresses that regulators see the crypto business as an opportunity rather than a crisis. As the market goes through changes, learning from industry stars like Ben Zhou can give you important information about the future of Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole. Crypto is seen as an opportunity by regulators. CEO of Bybit Ben Zhou says. Ben Zhou, the CEO of Bybit, recently talked about how regulators see the cryptocurrency industry in different parts of the world.